Morocco's central bank governor has called for diplomatic efforts to reduce the cost of transferring remittances to Africa. Remittances are a vital source of livelihood for many families and have contributed to the continent's economic rebound following the COVID-induced disruptions. CGTN's Adnan Chauchi has more in this report.
The governor of the Apex Bank in Morocco said that several EU banking institutions have banned subsidiaries of foreign banks from carrying out direct operations in their respective countries from Europe. The Moroccan top banker warned that this move would impact the transfer of remittances by African and Moroccan banks.
The cost of transferring remittances must be lowered. This money is vital for the national economy during this period, which is characterized by inflation which hit construction materials and energy. Remittances also increase the purchasing power of Moroccan households and boost investments in small businesses.
According to the Moroccan Ministry of Economy and Finance, the volume of remittances peaked at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, with cash transfers from abroad increasing from $3.5 billion in 2020 to $5.1 billion in 2021. The flow of remittances in the kingdom is expected to grow this year.
The remittances made by Moroccans in the world are an important pillar for financial and macroeconomic balance in the country. It's the leading source of cash for the country after phosphate and the car industry exports.
Youssef Zahari is the manager of a currency exchange agency in the city of Casablanca. Just like thousands of businesses throughout Morocco, this office has recorded an unprecedented cash flow and growth of remittance activity from Europe.
Since the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic, the number of transfer operations increased considerably, especially from Moroccans in France. Low-income families were the most affected by the pandemic and were also the main beneficiaries from remittances. More migration to Europe means more remittances.
Moroccans say remittances are of vital importance as they provide a source of the livelihood of many families.
Remittances are proof of solidarity and support to the families or the unemployed relatives in Morocco. It's helpful to pay for rent, medicines, food and bills.
In 2021, the Central Bank of Morocco launched the Greenback initiative. This World Bank initiative aims to increase efficiency in remittance markets and through this lower the cost of money transfers. According to the World Bank, the cost of sending a $200 transfer to Morocco varies widely. With an average of 5.9%, the cost of remittance transfer remains well above the Sustainable Development Goals target of 3%. Adnan Chauchi, CGTN, Tunis.